don't know. There's just so many choices. Half of these things, I don't even know what they are. Why do they write them in Italian? Who speaks Italian? Let's see. I had a thing one time that had whipped cream on it. That was pretty good.
Honest to Christmas, how long does it take to order a cup of coffee?
I guess it really wasn't whipped cream. It was some kind of foam.
Why doesn't she just tell him to shut his stupid face and get a regular cup of coffee?
Well, that might be a little harsh.
He's being a wad. If you knew that there was 9 million people lined up behind you, wouldn't you hustle it up a little bit?
Well, yeah, but you just can't tell someone to shut their stupid face.
I know. Society dictates. Getting tired of that, Dune.
I know I don't want the one with the syrupy stuff. That's too sweet. And sticky. And syrupy.
Shut your face and get a coffee.
Took out the word stupid.
I have the right to take as long as I need.
You don't have the right to make us stand around here for 20 minutes while you suck the life out of us with your stupid coffee quiz. Is there a fudge-flavored coffee? How about a cheese-flavored coffee?
Ma'am.
Oh, I like bananas. Can I have a banana that's been dipped in coffee and rolled in peanuts?
You need to settle down.
You need to make me.
Twyla!
Oh, Twyla's gonna make me. Listen, people.
We don't have to take this. I mean, if they think that we're just gonna stand around and holy, someone's been drinking their milk. You, Twyla?
A flush beats a straight.
Whoa! Hang on. Hold the phone. Stan Durko. Stan Durko. Who are you?
Stan Durko?
Nailed it! Oh, sorry to stow us in here like that. I thought there'd be like a little front area type thing, you know, like receptionist maybe. I don't know, a hat rack.
Waste of time, that stuff. I mean, by the time you walk in here and then hang up your hat and talk to a bunch of receptionists and they buzz into me on some $40 intercom, who am I trying to impress?
Is this shag?
This way, you open the door, we get right to business.
Now?
Now.
Oh. What is a life coach? I guess what I mean to say is I've never heard of such a thing as you. But I'll be damned if it doesn't sound like something I could use.
Oh, it's something we could all use.
I thought you were one.
I am one.
But you could use one? Like a dentist. Can't clean his own teeth with the hook and sucky thing, so he goes to a dentist.
There you go. Not as complicated as it seems. Mind you, any problem can be solved if you scrape away...
I shout a lot.
Pardon?
My problem? The one I need you to scrape? I shout at people.
I see. Okay, so you're an angry person.
No, I'm happy as hell. Sometimes I get real happy. But overly happy is what I'm told, in which case I start to cry. But then I cry when I'm sad also, you know, and that's pretty normal, isn't it? Or am I all turned around on that one too? See, it's tricky.
So you're upset that you get angry and confused about crying when you get happy sometimes.
It's like you're right inside my head. So what do you think? Can you fix me up?
No, I can't.
Damn it!
I was gonna say I could show you how to fix yourself.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Is Millie here yet?
No.
Did you tell her noon?
Yes, I did, Ms. Haddison.
Didn't I tell you not to call me Ms. Haddison?
You told me to call you Joyce.
That's right. You don't just work for me, you work with me. I call you Cindy, you call me Joyce.
My name's Crystal.
The point is, I'm Joyce.
Well, hello. You're new.
No, I've been here since yesterday.
Well, you're new to me.
Did it just get sleazy in here? Oh, look, it's Taylor.
Hey, Joyce. You wanted to see me?
Want is not the word.
Yearn?
There's been another incident with Millie.
Sorry about the pens. Cup didn't break, though. What is that, Melmac?
That's okay. Oh, it's okay. No harm done. Have a seat. Let me ask you this, miss. Your name?
Millie. Millie Upton.
Let me ask you this, Millie. When's the last time you got angry?
I just threw your cup. Oh, before the cup, right. I had a bit of a hiccup this morning getting coffee.
Hiccup?
Ironically, that's when I saw your card. Hey, Twyla, can you grab me one of those, please? Thanks.
You're an interesting case, Millie. Guess what? I'm gonna help you.
Hot soup. When do we start?
I've been analyzing you since you walked in the door, and I have ascertained certain things about you.
All good, I hope.
Well, it's not all good, or you wouldn't be here.
Touche.
You are what I call an overreactionist.
3 minutes, and you already hung a name on my problem. Nice work, Doc.
I'm not a doctor.
Not even a doctor. Take that, you stupid psychiatrists.
Come on, Joyce. I know that Millie can cause some problems, but she deserves a second chance.
Second chance? This would be her 100th chance.
Who's counting?
My lawyers are. And when she gets here, would you send her right in?
When who gets here?
Millie. We have been talking about Millie for 10 minutes.
Maybe you guys were. I was picking a new ringtone.
Glad to have you on board.
Thanks, Joyce.